Joseph, you should know. That thing is hollow. Colt's using it to stash guns and ammo. If I were you, I'd find a way to blow it up.
I got a report some crazy motherfucker's hitting that statue of Joseph. I don't know who you are, but you and I are BFFs right now. Watch your back. We got word more Peggies are coming your way. Goddamn, we can see your work all the way at the prison. Goodbye to that waste of concrete. Hey, if you're looking to cause more trouble, I got an idea. Bates keeps her personal copy of Joseph's ramblings inside that thing. Climb inside that statue and burn those papers. Show her what happens when you fuck with the wrong people. Bunch of ladders leading to the top. Find the levers and give him a hard twist. That'll drop him for you.
Teamwork's the key!
Watch the skies. You got some choppers flying your way.
Let's see the heretic!
Show me what you got!
Patrols say there's more choppers headed your way. Stay sharp.
I see what you've done. I know what you're doing. I'm not angry, but I'm disappointed. My people are coming to show you my displeasure.
Don't you understand what he'll do to me?